Well, on this Veterans Day, it's important to remember that those who have given so much for our freedoms can often use a helping hand themselves.
Our Liam Donahue shows us how one McLean County nonprofit organization is helping veterans at home and how community members can contribute.
Local veterans are getting additional resources thanks to the Central Illinois Housing Network. It's a registered nonprofit out of Hudson, helping veterans maintain safe shelter, helping them with home repair projects. The organization's president, Bill Gobtop, says they often help older veterans who might not be able to get repairs done on their own.
It comes to a point where they either physically can't do the work or maybe financially things aren't looking good for them, so we try to step in.
His wife, Star, the secretary-treasurer of the organization, says they're able to make different accommodations.
We're going to make sure that your bathroom works for you, for example. If you need a walk-in shower instead of a bathtub, we can do that for you. If you need a ramp, we can put a ramp on.
Bill says many of the veterans they assist don't like to ask for help. He says they usually get referred by a veteran's family members or friends.
We just end up with people from all different sources, and if we can't help them, we try to act as a clearinghouse to find somebody that we know that can.
Star says they have recently set up a GoFundMe page to help with repair costs, but they would also appreciate any volunteer help.
If they have a carpentry skill, an electric skill, painting, drywall work, those kinds of things, if they want to let us know about that, if we come across a job like that, we would certainly be able to use their talents.
Reporting in Hudson, I'm Liam Donahue.